Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shamao here, and we are going to have our family race. So Ali Shamao is driving, that is me, Ali. I'm driving a blaster truck. It's a little slower. I mean, yesterday I drew all three of these from high boxing 118th scale electric four-wheel drive RC vehicles. I found the blaster was the slowest, but the Hailstore is the fastest, and that buggy is really, really fast. So Hadi is driving the buggy, Arish is driving the truggy, and Baba is driving the Blaster XL. This is our little course right here. That's the seat of Mommy, the camera woman. Mommy, go, camera woman there. So we have our start point right here, barely visible to the camera, but visible to us. We will start from here, go around that truggy, go around the Mavic battery we found in the sand. Go on the desert sand little bit. I don't want to give them too much sand. Go around that popcorn cup and then go around the truck and back here. So how many laps we are going to do? Maybe 5 laps, okay?
5 circles.
5 circles.
This is like a steering wheel.
So 5 circles. 5 circles. Let's see who is the number one. Of course I will win. Of course I will win. I will win. I will win.
No, I will.
I will win.
I will.
Hadi will be the last one, probably. Okay, so. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, Hadi hit Mommy. Baba is doing very well. Hadi, where are you going? Follow the route. Baba's truck is doing very well. I need to fit the trims. I'm going around the cup. Hadi, come on, keep going straight. Baba, come back for the first one. Ah, yes, that's me going over there. Go backward, Hadi. Yes. Oh, Arish is there. Is it cheating? Ouch. I turned him around. Hadi, why are you driving like a snake? And I'm going around. And I'm coming back. Arish is following me. I come here. And I'm waiting for Arish. Where are you going, Arish? I'm here. Look at Hadi. What he is doing there. Hadi, follow the track. Come on here. Ready? It's fast mode, okay? So you have to be very careful. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at Arish. Hadi, slow down. Arish, now you. Baba win! Hadi, run! Come on here! Come on here! Who can follow me? Arish is coming. Baba, turn around. Yes, Arish, you're doing very good now. Go, go, go.
I did a hard turn.
3, go. Baba is going very, very fast straight. Arish doesn't know how to go to straight still. Oh, Baba's truck is struggling in the desert, in the sand, and I'm coming back. Arish cheating. I already did one lap, Arish. Arish is coming. Oh boy. Baba is going. Hadi is circling around like a crazy doped guy. Like a crazy junkie. Now Arish doing very well. Again, he cheated. He didn't go around the cup. Baba is coming back. Oh, no. Now Baba got stuck. Arish got stuck here. I'm coming. Yeah, I went. See, I'm going, Arish. Try to catch me.
Okay, I'm setting it too fast.
Baba is in slow mode. Arish is in fast mode. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see who will do the lap first. Uh-oh, I got stuck. Sorry. Hadi, go pick up your car. Arish is stuck. Arish is circling around there. He did 1 lap. He did 1 lap. He's going for 2nd lap. Baba is chasing him. And he went straight ahead there.
Bye-bye.
Hey, you're cheating, Arish. I am coming nice and constant. I did the 2nd lap.
Oh,
Oh, my truck went upside down. Baba's cheating. Baba's going standard mode. Yeah. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.